Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix microphone not working in Windows 11, 10, 7, 18, 20, 200. Okay, so let's jump right into the video without wasting any second, because I know your time is very important, your time is very valuable. Okay, so let's not waste any seconds. So I'm gonna show you now the first method, and now this methods I'm about to show you are what I've tried before when I had this problem myself. So I hope it's gonna work for you as well as it did for me. And there are, like, I can't guarantee you, but I hope it's gonna work. So make sure you try all the methods and follow along with me step by step. Follow along with me and try all the methods, and I hope it's gonna work for you. So what you have to do right now, the first method, it's very important, is to go to services, and here in services click on the best match, and here let's look for Windows. Press on your keyboard W, and here you should see Windows audio, something like that. Oh, right over here, look. And if for you is turned off, if you have this selected, the type is selected to disabled, then and it's also not running, it's stopped, then what you have to do is select automatic here instead of disabled. And also if it is stopped, make sure you click on start here, and it's gonna stop, and it's gonna start the service. Now click on apply and OK. And if that didn't work and you're still having this problem, then the next method that's very important as well to try is to go to troubleshoot settings, and here in all the troubleshooters make sure you look for play audio and you run this troubleshooter. And you can also run this video playback troubleshooter. And if that didn't work, if you have the same problem, let's go to right click here on this. You see this icon, right click on this icon, and here select open sound settings. Alright, and here make sure you input your microphone is selected. So okay, to fix the microphone you have to select in the input your microphone. This is the microphone I'm using right now to record this video, Samsung Q2U microphone. That's the microphone I'm using, so obviously I'm going to select this microphone, not this one. Okay, so and here in the output is just the headset, and just select your headset here, but it's not related to your microphone. And now let's go to more sound settings. Here in more sound settings, make sure you go to recordings. So recordings for your mic is not playback, is for a headset, and recordings for your mic. And here make sure you select your mic. If you can't see your mic for some reason, here make sure you right click on this white window, okay, and here select show disabled devices and show disconnected devices. And if you can see now your microphone, make sure you right click, or you just select your mic and click on set default. All right, click on set default. And now after you select default, we can click on properties. So we now go to properties of that microphone. Okay, we select the properties of the mic. From here we can levels, make sure this is set to 100. If it's not, obviously you won't hear anything, it's not gonna work. And if you still have the same problem after you selected that, after you changed you change all the settings, and you click on apply and OK, make sure you come back here and try this. Sometimes it worked for me for some apps. Make sure you don't have the last quality. As you can see here, it's not like the last quality, or if I so call that, if I can name it, like you don't have the latest hertz here, the latest option here. Make sure you select one of these, but not the latest one, not the last one. All right, you know what I'm saying? So, and also make sure if that didn't work, make sure you also deselect that, and you can try that only if other methods didn't work. And now the next method is to simply go to device manager, and here in device manager we have some really important stuff. So here we have audio inputs and outputs, right? So let's expand this, and here we have a bunch of audio inputs and outputs, tons of them, right? Make sure you look for your mic. I'll look for my mic here, Samsung Q2U, and if it's somehow disabled, make sure you enable it, and also make sure you also update it. Okay, just click on update, browse for updates and list, and here you have some apps, some listed drives on your computer. You can also click on update and now select browse computers, my computers for drivers. Just search automatically for drivers, and this will tell you that you have the latest driver. And that's one way you can go here and make sure, as I said, you don't have any audios, any inputs, any audio inputs disabled. Then make sure you go to Windows Update, and I'm not gonna tell you to update your Windows, because that's just important. Like, you already know you're gonna have to do that at some point. Like, it's important to update your Windows, but something that I wasn't conscious of, or I didn't know existed, is to go to advanced options here, and then optional updates, and here you should see a bunch of different updates available to download on your computer, download and install on your computer. And usually, when I checked, first time I checked this, there were lots of updates available. So make sure you just check all of them and just click on download and install. Now, if there's some updates, drivers that are not important, like this one Logitech, I just plugged some Logitech webcam, very old one. Just, yeah, you don't have to update some of them. They are not related to audio. Only the ones that are related to, or they are important for your Windows. So yeah, make sure you're doing that. So I hope, guys, this video helped you and you don't have this annoying problem, because I know how frustrating it is. Now I hope you don't have that problem anymore and you're a happy person. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.